In countries like US and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. This one is equation. F is equals to 9/5 Celsius plus 32. I write equation here. F is equals to 9/5 Celsius plus 32. First we have to draw the graph for above equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So first we draw graph. For graph first I take Celsius is equals to 0. Put the value C is equals to 0. 9/5 into 0 plus 32. So F is equals to what? 0 plus 32. 32. Yeah. The first point is what? Celsius 0. Celsius is for x-axis. So first one 0. Second one is 32. This is the first point. The second point, what I do for second point, I take Fahrenheit as a 0. Fahrenheit as a 0. So 0 is equals to 9/5 into C plus 32. Plus 32 transferred to left hand side minus 32. 9/5 into C. So minus 32 multiply 5 upon 9. Multiply 5 upon 9. Cross multiply is equals to C. First what I do multiply 5 2s are 10. 1 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 minus 160 upon 9. Now 160 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9. 7 0. 9 7s are 63. Again 7.0. 9 7s are 63. 7. It means we get minus 17.7. Nearby it is what? Minus 18. Clear? So I get point what? First Celsius means minus 17.7 and second point is what? 0. This is our second point. I draw table for this one. Celsius, Fahrenheit. Celsius 0 32 minus 17.7 and 0. I draw graph for this one. You have to draw using scale and pencil. Clear? In this one, vertical line is what you have for Fahrenheit. So plus Fahrenheit, minus Fahrenheit, y-axis. Horizontal line for Celsius, plus Celsius and minus Celsius. This one is 0. Now observe the maximum point in Celsius. It is what? Minus 17.7. So I take for Celsius is equals to 1 unit is equals to 5 degrees Celsius. 5 10 15 20 25 minus. And here plus 32 is the maximum. So again in Fahrenheit also take a scale. 1 unit is equals to 5 Fahrenheit. 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 is 5 10 15 minus 5 minus 10 minus 15. First point is what? 0 32. X-axis 0, Celsius 0, it means x-axis 0. And y-axis what? 32. 32 it means between 30 and 35. Between 30 and 35 it is what? Here. Below average line. Below average line means below this one. Here this point is what? 0. 32. Now 37 minus 17.7 and 0 means minus 18 nearby, and y-axis 0, it means it's on minus x-axis, minus Celsius. So it is above middle line somewhere here. It is what your minus 17.7 and 0. Draw line passing to this point using scale. So this line indicate what? F is equals to 9/5 Celsius plus 32. This one is graph for it. Now we have further more question. We have to find Fahrenheit value. If Celsius is equals to 30, put C is equals to 30. So F is equals to 9/5 into 30 plus 32. 5 6 F is equals to 54 plus 32. F is equals to 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 3 8, 86 degree Fahrenheit is our answer. Further, F is equals to 95 degree. Put F is equals to 95 degree. 95 is equals to 9/5. You have to find value of C, Celsius. Plus 32, transfer to left hand side, minus 32, 9/5 degree Celsius. 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 9/5. 5 is in divide, transfer to left hand side, multiply. 9 is in multiply, transfer to left hand side, in divide. 9 7 is 63. C is equals to what? 7 5 is 35 degree Celsius. This one is answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. If Celsius is equals to 0, if Celsius is equals to 0, so F is equals to what? 9/5 C plus 32. Put C is equals to 0. 9/5 0 plus 32. F is equals to what? 32 degree Fahrenheit. And if Fahrenheit is equals to 0, if Fahrenheit is equals to 0, put the value Fahrenheit is equals to 0. Find the value of C. Plus 32 minus 32. You have to find this one. So 5 is in multiply, 9 is in divide. Minus 32 multiply 9 divide by 5. Sorry, multiply 5 divide by 9. Cross multiply it is. We already solved this one here. It is what? Minus 17.7. Now, is there a temperature which numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Means you have to solve this one using trial and error method. If you solve this one using trial and error method, you get answer at the same value for both one. It is what? Minus 40. Minus 40. It is in both Fahrenheit and Celsius also. And if you put minus 40 in this equation, minus 40 in this equation, I solve this one. Left hand side is equals to F only, minus 40. Right hand side, 9/5 into C plus 32, minus 40. 9/5 minus 40 plus 32. 5 minus 8 ja, clear. 9 8 ja, 72 plus 32. Minus plus minus, do minus, bigger sign minus. 4 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 3 4, minus 40. You can see that for F is equals to minus 40 and C is equals to minus 40, your left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. Clear. Now we see exercise. Next exercise, it is 4.4 exercise, and for some introduction, introduction related to exercise 4.4. The equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. What is one? Two notes are there. If y is equals to constant given, means we have find y is equals to 5. This type of equation. Then the geometrical representation of this equation in two variable is parallel to what? X-axis. Parallel to x-axis. If y is equals to constant given, then you have to plot. If you plot a graph, then line is like this, parallel to x-axis. This one is what? Y is equals to constant. If x0, y is equals to constant means what? x0. No x value is there. So graph is what? Parallel to x-axis. It means what? For any value of x, you got same value of y. For any value of x, you get same value of y. How? If I take x is equals to 0, for this one you get x is equals to 5, y is equals to 5. If I take x is equals to 1, you get y is equals to 5. Any value of x, you get same value of y. This is graph for y is equals to constant. In y is equals to constant, x is 0 and your graph is parallel to x-axis. And second is what? If x is equals to constant, it means y is not there. If x is equals to constant and you plot the graph, then it is what? Parallel to y-axis. Means you take alternate. If y constant, parallel to x-axis. X constant, parallel to y-axis. This one is for is equals to x is equals to constant. It means what? For any value of y, you get same value of x. If you plot y is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, x is equals to 4 here. You put y is equals to 2, again you get x is equals to 4. Y is equals to minus 4, again x is equals to 4. Means any value of y, you get same value of what? X. It means what? X is equals to constant, y is 0 and graph is what? Parallel to y-axis. Now we comes on exercise 4.4. Give the geometrical representation of y is equals to 3 as equation in one variable and two variable. First, this is what? Equation in one variable. So I plot graph for equation in one variable. Easy. Equation in one variable, y-axis, it means what? Vertical line. This one is 0. In one variable, it means you don't draw horizontal line. It means don't draw x-axis because it is in only y-axis. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Y is equals to what? 3. This is your answer. For equation in what? For equation in what? One variable. Second one in two variable. First we have to convert this equation into two variable. How we convert? X is not there. So put x and coefficient is what? 0. Plus y is equals to 3. This one is equation in two variable. X is not there. X is not there. So put x here and coefficient of x is what? 0. If y is not there, in second question we see. If y is not there, put y and coefficient of y is 0. Now find value of y for value of any value of x. I put x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1. 0 into 1 plus y is equals to 3. Y is equals to what? 3. Second one. X is equals to 2. 0 into 2 plus y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3. I take minus 1. 0 into minus 1 plus y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3. You see that y is equals to constant. It means for any value of x, you get same value of y. And y is equals to constant. It means what? Your graph is parallel to which x-axis? Parallel to x-axis. It is decided. I draw table here. This one is x, this one is y. x1 y3, x2 y3, x minus 1 y3. Now I plot a graph in two variable. You have to draw using scale and pencil only. This one is plus y, this one is minus y. This one is plus x, this one is minus x. This one is your origin. 1 positive x-axis, 3, 4, 5. Negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Positive y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. First I plot first point 1 and 3, x1 and y3. 2 and 3, x2 and y3. Minus 1 and 3, x minus 1 and y3. Join these 3 points. This one is y is equals to what? 3. And for equation in two variable, so you have to write 0x plus y is equals to 3 here. And y is equals to constant. It means you get line parallel to what? X-axis. Now question number 2, last question of this chapter. Due to geometrical represent of 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. First you have to find equation in one variable. The first 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. Find the value of x. 2x is equals to minus 9. X is equals to minus 9 upon 2. After division you get it is what? Minus 4.5. Minus 4.5. Draw in x-axis. It means only horizontal line. And in one variable means don't draw y-axis. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Value is what? Minus 4.5, and between minus 4 and minus 5 somewhere here it is. This one is what? X is equals to minus 4.5. Now for equation in two variable, first convert this equation in two variable. Here x is there, no y is there, so put y, and coefficient of y is what? 0, is equals to minus 4.5. Now for any value of y, in this for any value of y you have to find value of x, because x is equals to constant is given. X is equals to constant, it means you have, if you draw line using points, then you get graph parallel to what? Y-axis, because here x is equals to constant is given. So here I put y is equals to value, some value, y is equals to 1, x plus 0 into 1, minus 4.5, x is equals to minus 4.5. For any value of y, you get x is equals to minus 4.5. I take y is equals to 3. 0 into 3 is equals to minus 4.5. So x is equals to 0 into 3, 0. Again minus 4.5. Third one, y is equals to minus 2. X plus 0 into minus 2, minus 4.5. X is equals to again minus 4.5. For any value of y, you get x is equals to what? Minus 4.5. I draw table for x and y value. X minus 4.5 y1, x minus 4.5 y3, x minus 4.5 y minus 2. For any value of y, you get x is equals to what? Minus 4.5. Now I draw a graph for two variable. It means you have to draw both axes x and y using scale and pencil. This one is y, this one is minus y. This one is your x-axis, this one is your minus x-axis, this one is your origin. 1 positive axis 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Positive y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative y plus y minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. First minus 4.5 and 1, minus 4.5 middle and 1, minus 4.5 and 1. Second one minus 4.5 and 3, minus 4.5 and 3, minus 4.5. It means between minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 4.5 and minus 2, minus 4.5 and minus 2 here. Minus 4.5 and minus 2. Draw line passing to these 3 points. This one is your x plus 0y is equals to minus 4.5 line. Here chapter is complete.